Good day, viewers. You are welcome to this class. Here we want to solve the system of equation given here. We are finding the value of x and y, and we can label this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. And from equation 2 now, let's make x the subject. So x will then be equals to 5 minus y. That is, carry plus y here to that side, become minus y. And we can call this our equation 3. So substitute equation 3 now in equation 1. Anywhere you see x in equation 1, put 5 minus y. So equation 1 becomes 5 minus y square now plus y square, which is equals to 13. And by the time we expand 5 minus y square, what we have will be 25 minus 10y plus y square. That is the expansion of 5 minus y square, then plus y square equals to 13 now. So by the time we look at this, we can work the left hand side first. We have y square plus y square. That will give us 2y square. So we have 2y square, then minus 10y, then we can write plus 25 now. Then we can take this 13 to this side as well, and plus 13 become minus 13, then equals 0. We use it to form a quadratic equation now, and from there we can rewrite it and say this will be 2y square minus 10y, 25 minus 13, that will be plus 12 now, then equals to 0. Then we then solve this one either by any method we like, whether factorization method or quadratic formula. So when we factorize, we can multiply the first and the last term here, and that gives us 24y square, that's plus 24y square. Then we look for the factor of 24y square. That when we add the two factors together, we get minus 10y, and that is minus 6y minus 4y. Because when you multiply minus 6y times minus 4y, that will give us plus 24y square. And when we add it together, we are going to get minus 10y at the middle. So we can replace minus 10y with minus 6y and minus 4y now. So by the time we rewrite it, we now have 2y square minus 6y minus 4y. We have replaced minus 10y now, then plus 12 equals to 0. So by the time we group it, 2 now, and we factorize, when we group it in 2 and we factorize, what is common between these two is 2y. So 2y come out, remain y, then minus 3 is left, because take 2y out of 6y, remain minus 3, then minus, what is common between this is minus 4, then remain y, minus 3 as well, because minus 4 times minus 3 give us plus 12, then equal to 0. Then from there, we can now say that the two brackets are the same. We can bring one out and have y minus 3 times 2y, that is 2y, then minus 4, then equal to 0. So each of these has to be 0. Either of these has to be 0. So we then say y minus 3 is either y minus 3 equal to 0. So we can have our y minus 3 equal to 0, or 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So we can have either of them equal to 0. Then when we solve this, this will become y equals to 3, carry minus 3 there, become plus 3, or we can have 2y equals to 4. We carry minus 4 here. On this side, we become plus 4. And also, this is already y equals to 3. Or y equals to 4 divided by 2. But that is divided both sides by 2 here. So finally, our y can be 3 here. Or our y can be equals to what? 2. So these are the two possible values of y. Then to get the two possible values of x, substitute the value of y back in equation 3. So from equation 3 we have x equals to 5 minus y. So from x equals to 5 minus y, we can now say that our x will now give us, when y is 3, put y is 3, that's 5 minus 3, then our x will be equals to 2 here. So when y is 3, x is 2, that is, when y is 3 now, we got our x to be 2. Then also, when y is 2 now, so our x will now be equals to 5 minus 2. That means x equals to 3. So when y is 2, when y equals to 2, our x is equals to 3. Then we can write the answer properly now. That is, from the first one, our x is 2, y is 3. We now have, in form of x comma y, we can write the solution as 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2. So that's our solution to that system of equation. We still thank you for joining us in this class. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, also do well to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. We say thank you for listening and bye for now.